Welcome this video. Bedroom decor idea. Create a cozy and style structure. Your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's your personal structure when you are relaxed, rejecting and space quick moment whether you are design a new bedroom or give your rest one makeover the right decor can transforming it into a space that is both functional and aesthetic bliss. Here are bedroom decor idea to help you create a space that reference your personally and match your need. Choose a color palette. If on trend of any wall decor bedroom is a controllers color palette, soft natural tone like big gum or post, create academics promoting face for relax. If you like both color, consider use theme as static to keep the space balanced for a modern look. Blend with while and meat earth gum brown